about ego. 99% of the fights between husband and wife are ego. Shut the ego button in both of them, not one fight in 20 years. Because even if there is a reason to argue, the ego makes it 100 times worse. It could have finished in 2 sentences. Why did you buy this? You know we cannot afford it. You're right, I'm sorry. I don't know what got into my mind. I regret it now. Okay, next time try to be more considerate. You're right, Moshe. I'm sorry. Forgive me? Yes, forgive me. Give me a hug. End of story. How is it going today? Again? What is this? I bought it. Are you a moron? Why did you buy that? I told you not to buy these things. We don't have right now money. Business is not good. I'm sorry, what do you want? All day I'm cooking, I'm doing this and that. Who do you think you are? You keep telling me what to do. Don't forget, I also have a say. My father paid for half of the house. Go back to your father. And tomorrow morning, Rabbi, do you have time for us today? We want to get divorced. Most of the divorces is because of ego. 2 clowns with no respect, no gratitude, no nothing, horrible midot, try to say the last word. And who suffer? They suffer. They suffer, ma. Divorce is a solution for something? Most of the time it's not. If your man hits you and abuse you and who knows what, violent, cursing, okay, that's not a marriage. That's a war zone. And I'm talking about these kind of things. Talking just stupid arguments. Stupid arguments. I told you to do this, I told you to do that. Why are you doing this? Why are you not doing? That's it, just about it. And you know what? I'll prove it to you. If you drive on a service road, you have to go into the highway now. You have the major highway. On the side, you have 2 lanes. Service road. In half a mile, you have one lane that merge into the highway. Now, it's 2 people trying to get into that one lane on the service road. It's bumper to bumper, 4 or 5. 5 a.m., bumper to bumper. So now you're coming. Remember, there's one lane, and only one car can go first. So both cars are closing on each other. Their mirrors are already 5 inches away from each other. But they don't give up. Not one of them would let the other one go first. He looks at him, he looks at him. Everyone is with his hand on a gun, one has a baseball bat. Now, 1 inch. In the end, one made it by half an inch first. The other one pressed the brakes, is fuming. Chasing him on the highway, cutting him, shooting. That's one scenario. Second scenario is you see some fool that trying to get an inch before you. Open the window. Por favor, señor. Ándale. No. You first. No, you first. Half an hour, you first. No, you first. He let off the gun, put back the baseball bat. Tomorrow they're getting married. It's all about ego. That's it. Stupid ego. And the highway is going to make a difference? This 1 inch? He went in front of you. Both of you went into the highway. You press the gas a little bit more, you're going to pass him. What is it about? Are you going to be late? Your life is in jeopardy? There's pikuach nefesh? What is it? Nothing but stupid ego. I'm going to win. That's, by the way, what sport is all about. It's a place to bring all the evil of you out, to humiliate your opponent, to put him down, to curse his mother. Go to the soccer games in Israel on Shabbat, see how the people behave. Monkeys are better than them. You have to see how they jump on the fence. I don't want to tell you how the jeans all the way down, screaming like monkeys, like baboons. I'll do this, and your mother is like this, and they curse the referee. And then if somebody made a goal, wow, they begin to throw at each other things. 80 people in a hospital. Why? Jose kicked the piece of leather a little bit to the right instead of to the left. 80 people died.